Hello friends, hello fall, and hello September. This is Lady and welcome to another video. Today I will share with you how I decorate my childcare during this month. One of the biggest challenges during this pandemic was to create a welcoming environment. In this video you're gonna see tips and tricks for you to create a lovely and welcoming environment. Fall is here and I had to bring a little bit from inside to the outside because now my families cannot go inside of my childcare during this pandemic. This is my decoration. Many of them I got from the dollar store. I also got some of them from Amazon. At the end of this video, in the description, you're gonna be able to see a link with all the decorations I got from Amazon. As you can see, this is the bulletin. I have a lot of information that I created. I made these posters that explains to the parents what I do when the child goes inside and also what I expect from the families. Here you can also see the calendar that includes all the days I'm closed, the events, any parties that we have during the month of September. I'm really happy to show you how the outside of my house looks, but I'm more excited to show you inside. And here we go. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to like it, also subscribe so you won't miss my next video. Welcome to the Bilingual Learning Center, and this is how my place looks inside. I hope you guys like this video. It has so many tricks and ideas for you. I will let you watch this video and I hope you enjoy it as much as I did putting all this together for you. The shape of this month is the triangle, the color is yellow, and the letters are C and D. For this last week of September, we are using a curriculum called Behind the Little Red Door. You can buy this at Lecture, and I will post also the link. This is my science area. It's just a little space, but it really helps the kids to explore, learn more about our body, our bones. And I got this one from Packet Preschool.
Same number. Okay, so let's see. Now let's
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
It's letter T. Good job.
I think like this.
Go.
Hey, I think like this.
Okay.
Is it all
It feels wet. It feels cold, right, you guys?
Gracias. No se olviden del gracias, chicos. And this is all for today. I hope you guys like this video and now you have ideas on how to decorate your childcare for this fall. If you want to see more videos every month about how to decorate your childcare, please like this video Also subscribe, click the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Also, if you are new, watch this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Hasta pronto. See you soon.